Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Subaru Forester wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a clean cloth, and a protective towel. It is crucial to ensure you have the correct size blades for your specific Forester model. Before you begin, place a towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield. This simple step helps protect the glass from accidental scratches or cracks during the replacement process. Let's get started. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Next, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the J-hook arm. Once the blade is detached, gently lower the bare wiper arm back down onto the windshield. This prevents it from snapping back and potentially damaging your glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield surface. Remember to repeat these simple steps for the passenger side wiper and for the rear wiper if your Forester has one. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your car and activate the windshield washer fluid to ensure they clear the glass effectively and without any streaking. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. It's also a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. This simple maintenance ensures clear visibility and enhances your driving safety in all weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.